Hello, Andy. Good evening. Good morning to all of you. So, this episode we are going to do the floral georgettes. Hi, Niharika. Akhila garu, hi. Rohini garu, hi. So, this episode we are going to do the Banaras blooper. This episode we are going to do the georgette sarees, floral ones, Andy. Lot of people's favorite georgettes are back. I still remember people have missed these sarees very much. You remember these pearlwork, stonework sarees, georgettes? We have all the colors. I just have limited pieces. This time, please don't miss it. And this exclusive statement piece is by Rudra Jewelers. This is how it is. Yeah, turn back. This is what I'm wearing, Andy, a beautiful floral georgette saree. This is 120 grams of georgette, Andy. This is how it is. And in this we have colors now. The price of this saree is 18,999 only. Please take a screenshot and send it on this numbers. Please take a screenshot and send it on this numbers only. All the sarees are of 18,999 only. And the numbers to contact are 7993710111 and 8142029190. These all are the pure georgette sarees, first thing. Second thing, it's all handmade work with crystals, Swarovski and pearl work, if you see this. It's a pure georgette saree. We'll start the colors now. Yeah. Spread karo please. Help karo chunni ko. This is a yellow floral georgette saree, Andy. This is yellow floral georgette saree with a floral touch up on the blouse. On the blouse you have completely crystal work. It's like this. You guys can get a stitch like this. These are very smart sarees, Abhi. 18,999. Please take a screenshot and send it to us. Ab batate jaiye please. Next one. Next we have the peach floral georgette saree. This looks really cool. Completely Swarovski work. Very beautiful saree this is. Pallu and the blouse. This is the blouse. Please take a screenshot and send it to us. మళ్ళీ వేరే కలర్స్ బాగుంటుంది కదా, పీచే బాగుంటుంది కదా కదా, కొంచెం బ్రెయిన్ ఇక్కడే ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఇస్ a blue color అండి. సీతకియేనా? This is a blue color georgette saree. Very beautiful blue georgette saree with completely crystal work, Andy. All over the saree you have crystals. This has silver cut beads as well as crystals, Andy, if you notice. Pallu and the blouse. Please take a screenshot and send it on the number, Andy. We would love to assist you. ఈరోజు తీసుకుంటావు కొద్దిగా बताते जाइए आप. This is also pure georgette saree. These all are similar to what I'm wearing, Andy. 18,999, Andy. This one is also. Money. This is off-white. What I wore. You ready? No, money. Ready. This is off-white saree, Andy. ఇంకొకని రమ్మనవా ఈజీ ఉండొచ్చు నీకు. This is an off-white georgette, what I'm wearing, with a beautiful crystal work. Very beautiful sarees. These are the pure sarees, Andy. Pure georgettes with crystal handmade work. Next. Next open chain. This is pastel pink. This is a pastel pink saree. We have just 5 or 6 colors in this. This is pastel pink andi. Next. This is a light cream color, light orangish cream with completely stone work and pearls. Beautiful saree. Very beautiful saree. Please take a screenshot. This is one beautiful saree again with big floral bunches. Pure georgettes. Go with a nice smart blouse for these kind of sarees, and they look really smart. Either sleeveless or cap sleeves or ruffle sleeves. All these sleeves look very pretty for these georgettes. Kholo beta, next one kholo. This is a peach georgette only. See, the workmanship and everything is almost similar. Only the colors. Sorry, what happened? So this is all the work sarees. Ma'am, this is all pure georgette. Whoever liked the prints, please take a screenshot and let us know, Andy. These are expensive, ma'am, because it's a pure georgette and handmade work. Next one, please. Next. It's a light blue, Andy. Meeki we semi georgettes lo kuda vaste, but whatever we are showing are pure georgettes. Beautiful saree, this one also. Lovely saree. Next one. Please take a screenshot, and it's 18,999. These are all of the pure georgettes. You get imitations in 4,000-5,000 Zandi. You can buy them. Whoever is looking for a lesser price. These are the pure georgettes Zandi. Pure georgettes with pearl work and crystal work Zandi. In this saree, the floral print is of brown color. And if you see the edging, it's all pearl line. Pretty, no? Please take a screenshot, Andy. We would love to assist you. Next. This is the last one in that collection, Andy. Peach color saree. This is a peach saree, Andy. Very beautiful. Give me the phone. So these all are the pure sarees. In this, meeku gurtunda crochet laces adigaru, crochet lace borders adigaru meeru. Please ఒకసారి అవి చెక్ చేయరా. Crochet lace. ఇవన్నీ మనం pearl work sarees అండి. Crochet lace sarees ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. Give me the crochet lace ones. Yeah. You remember these crochet lace? It was in full demand. A lot of people missed these crochet lace sarees and 13,999. These sarees were 13,999. So they are back again. So yeah, let's start the crochet lace ones. Yeah. is a cream crochet lace sari with a georgette. Very beautiful sari, Andy. Beautiful crochet lace. Floral print sari. People who know georgettes can understand the beauty. Very beautiful georgette, Andy. 13,999, Andy. This is 13,999. These are the purest georgettes. This is chiffon, what I'm showing you now. This is a chiffon sari with a crochet lace, Andy. Classy sari with this completely crochet pallu. 13,999, Andy. 13,999. This is one more beautiful chiffon sari with a nice exclusive crochet lace work. This is all nice crochet work, Andy. Beautiful sari. This is how the pallu is. See, this is all work, Andy. Whoever is seeing, please note that. 13,999, Andy. 13,999. Next one, please. This is peach sari, Andy. ఇందాక దాంట్లో pearl work వచ్చింది. దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే completely crochet lace work వచ్చిందండి. This is a chiffon sari. కొన్ని chiffons ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని georgettes ఉన్నాయండి. Look at this beautiful sari. These all are supposed to be worn with a satin petticoat and everything, Andy. The last couple of saris of this episode. This is a beautiful blue chiffon with crochet lace. Look at the purple flowers. They are so beautiful, Andy. Very beautiful sari. Ma'am, these all are the pure chiffons, so they would be expensive. These are not the viscose chiffons and all. These are the pure chiffons. Viscose chiffons and all, you get it in 2,000, 3,000. So please check the quality, feel the fabric. This is the georgette with chikankari border and a crochet border. Beautiful georgette sari. This is lovely. It is. It's really nice. The last one. Yeah, Rajesh. This is the last chiffon sari, Andy, of this episode. This is chiffon with a nice crochet lace, Andy, and a chikankari border. Please. This is the crochet work, Andy, I was talking about. This is complete work. Look at the quality of the chiffon. Beautiful it is. And the one I'm wearing is this, the pearl one. So whoever like it, you guys can interact with the team and update us. So the next one I'm gonna wear organzas and the striped saris.